Today I'm going to show you how to solve a 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication problem by using the distributive property, or we simply call it the break-apart method. What we're going to do is we're going to take our 2-digit number and break it down into 2 or more simpler problems. So I'm going to start with this number, and using what I know about place value, I know that the value of the 4 is 40, and the value of the 7 is 7. I have to multiply the 40 by the 6. 40 times 6 equals. Now this looks like a difficult problem, but it's not. If I know 4 times 6, which is 24, then I have to just multiply it by 10. And we all know that that means just add a 0. So 40 times 6 equals 240. Now I have to take the 7 and multiply it by 6 as well. 7 times 6 equals 42. I'm going to align those up. The next thing I need to do is, since I've broken them apart, is put them back together. 0 plus 2 is 2. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 0 is 2. From breaking apart and solving two smaller problems and then adding those together, I know that 47 times 6 is 282. Now that you've seen it once, let's try it one more time. I'm going to take the 58 and distribute it or break it apart based on what I know about place value. 58 is 50 and 8, so going to line them up, and it helps if you do it vertically so it's easier to add at the end. So 50 and 8 represents the 58, and I'm going to have to multiply 50 times 9, and I'm just dragging this 9 down. Again, this looks like a difficult problem, but 5 times 9 is easy. It's a simple problem for me. It's 45. Well, it's not actually doing 9 times 5, I'm doing 9 times 50. So I'm going to add the 0, which is pushes it to the tens place. 8 times 9 equals 72. Remember, it's important to line your numbers up so that your last step to add is already ready for you. Now I'm going to add 450 plus 72. 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry the 1, and it's 5. 58 times 9 equals 522. I hope that after seeing me do two examples that you better understand how to solve 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication using the distributive property.